Dimensions, Approx. 30H and weighs approximately 2 pounds. Specs, holds 2 targets up to 16x16 side by side. Replacement backers available, Caldwell number 707100. Ease of use, simply set up the target with all the included components and it is ready to shoot, making it perfect for shooting in the backyard. Versatility, use one target for standard shooting or purchase 2 and create a shooting top by utilizing a 2x4 and the carry handles. Reliable, features a stabilizer that provides extra support in the front and back of the stand to prevent tipping. Convenient, entire set collapses down for easy storage and transport and the main section features a small storage compartment for pasters, clamps, pencils etc. Durable, backer is constructed of all-weather material to withstand the elements. Top reviews from the United States. Great portable target holder for air rifles and pistols. Clever compact design. Does exactly what it's supposed to do, hold your targets. I'd use this out to 100 yards. Just make sure you don't shoot the plastic, it's stable even in moderate wind. Recommended for air rifles up to 30 calories in my opinion. I buy extra corrugated plastic boards at the big hobby shop chain stores once the included foldable ones get shot up. I bought 2 and put a 2x4 between them for cans and such.